Alright guys, so I posted up a Q&A video. I have a few questions here to answer, and the first one is from Purpose Driven. Shout out to Coach Kev. He said, if you had an opportunity to visit any historical place in the world, where would it be and why? I have two places. The first place would be Egypt, to go see the pyramids and stuff like that. I've always been interested in ancient Egypt, the culture and the history and everything, and all the pharaohs. So that would be one place. And the second place would be Pearl Harbor, to go see all the ships and stuff like that, and just visit the memorial. So those are the places that I would visit if I had the chance to go to a historical place. Joe Mbells, he told me, he said, I would like to see a resistance band workout, and he said he would like to see more cooking videos. He said, best always, gets well. I appreciate you, Joe. You've been down since day one, man. I appreciate your support, and I will get that resistance band workout in the future. And then cooking videos, that's just a part of the channel, man. I'm always going to be cooking. I love cooking. I love finding new recipes. So most definitely I'll have some more air fryer videos, grilling videos, and regular recipes, man. I appreciate the support, man. Then the Tatted Ronin asked me, he said, what is your favorite workout to build muscle? Well, my favorite workout, well, I'll tell you one for each body part. My favorite exercise for my chest is incline dumbbell press. That's just absolutely phenomenal. My favorite workout, my favorite exercise for arms are hammer curls to the side and hammer curls to the front. My favorite exercise for triceps are tricep extensions. And then my favorite exercise for back is pull-ups. For legs, it'll be the leg press. For calves, just basic calf raises. For hamstring, it'll be the lying hamstring curl. And for traps, of course, just regular shrugs. Am I missing anything? Oh, for shoulders, for front delts, just front raises, of course. And then I like doing lateral raises for the medial delt, and then I like doing reverse flies for my rear delt. So those are all my favorite exercises. Hopefully I didn't miss a body part, but I appreciate you asking that question, the Tatted Ronin. Okay, Cynthia Bartash asked me, I would love to know, how did you start on your fitness journey? So basically, when I was like, well, I've been working out for as long as I can remember. Some of my uncle friends, like when I was younger, I saw them working out, and I always wanted to be big and strong like them. So my uncle, he bought me like these little 3-pound dumbbells when I was a little kid. I used to curl those and stuff like that. But when I was 13, and I remember I was at the pool, and I saw myself, and I wasn't happy with it. And so my uncle gave me my first like little weight set. He gave me that Neo Grip bar, and I started working out with that when I was 13. And then I took a little break off from lifting weights. And then, so I took my whole 8th grade year off lifting weights. And then when I got to 9th grade and I had access to the weight room, I just started, that's when I really started just working out like crazy. And then so from the end of my 9th grade year, that summer going into 10th grade, I looked at Ronin videos, and I figured out how to build a workout split. So I started I just started to like do chest on Mondays, legs on Wednesdays, backs on Fridays. I had my little workouts that I was doing in the weight room in my 10th grade year, and that was my last year in the weight room. So I had to kind of get cool with the teachers, and they let me work out all 4 years. I just do my work in my second period class, and then I just go to the weight room and they let me work out. But I didn't really start like getting serious about like bodybuilding, you know, if you want to say that, until like maybe like 2015 or 2016. I think it was like around 2015 I started getting serious about like bodybuilding and things like that. So I've been on the fitness journey for a while now. It mainly started in high school, but I've been on the fitness journey for a minute now, at least working out. And Cholo Turiano asked me, who is my favorite fitness YouTuber? So I have two. The first is Cali Muscle, and the second is Chris Jones. Now the reason and I've met both of them actually at the LA Fit Expo, but the reason I like Cali Muscle is because he keeps it real. He simplifies this workout stuff. He simplifies this bodybuilding stuff. He just says high reps, eat clean, and just keep working out. And how much simpler could it get? You have all these other people telling you to do this and do that, sleep this time, take this and that time, and it's just like, it's just too much, man. So I like how he keeps it real, how he keeps it simple, and then he doesn't take anything from anybody. Every time somebody come at him with something negative, he defends himself because he know where he came from. And I actually read his book, so I kind of have an idea where he came from. And then I also like Chris Jones because he keeps it real too, you know. And he actually, you can tell he loves what he do, right? So that's why I love those two, man, because they keep it simple, they keep it real, and you can tell they love what they do. So those are my two favorite fitness YouTubers. PJ McFadden asked me, would you say I'm your favorite YouTuber or second favorite? And he said he doesn't want to see a workout video, he wants to see another grilling video. I have that for you, PJ. And you know what, PJ, actually, you are one of my favorite YouTubers, man. You crack me up. Every time I watch your videos, I'm sitting there laughing, man. Whether I'm at work, whether I'm here, I look forward to your videos, dude. Like, I really enjoy your content, man. Like, you had me laughing the entire time. All the little punchlines and stuff you say, man. Your content is very, very, very entertaining, man. Keep doing you, man. Keep on doing you. You will go to the top with it. And dude, and you will hit them PRs. Keep crushing those PRs. PR Crushing PJ. That's your new name for me. PR Crushing PJ. Sarah Louise asked me, what water bottle is the best to drink? So me, personally, I drink either the Kroger or the Ralph's brand regular bottle purified water, or I drink the Kirkland, the Costco Kirkland water. But for the most part, I don't even drink water bottles when I work out. I always have my shaker cup. That's alkaline water. We have 5-gallon jugs here, so I just fill that up, put it in the fridge, put my BCAAs in there, and then I just sip on that through my workout. So it really, any water is good. You can drink any water. You just got to make sure you stay hydrated. Burpee Yoga Uncle asked me, how much time do you spend to maintain your YouTube channel? From making the videos to responding to comments on your own videos and leaving comments on your other subs channel. So YouTube is a 24-hour thing. 24 hours, 7 days a week, because I think, well, me personally, I like to create my content early. So I keep uploading 2 videos a week. It takes me at least, I don't know, an hour and a half to 2 hours to edit. I got to make sure I find the right music, depending on, you know, what type of video it is. If it's like a quick video, it won't take me that long. But if it's like a workout or vlog or a recipe or something, I do put a little bit more effort in. And so yeah, YouTube is 24/7, and it's 7 days a week. And as far as me commenting on my other subs channel and to some of you guys, I'm doing that constantly too. That's a part of the whole YouTube being 24 hours too, because when I'm not doing my videos or editing my videos, I'm looking at you guys' videos, I'm commenting on you guys' videos, leaving feedback. So YouTube is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week thing. So yeah, I hope that gives you a little bit of insight. Alex Hernandez asked me, what is your favorite exercise? And he said his was back. So my favorite exercise is pull-ups, because pull-ups it develops the back like no other. No back exercise dominates over pull-ups. Not the lat pull down doesn't, no exercise. I like doing either wide grip pull-ups or nail grip pull-ups, because all the back muscles get engaged. Anytime I do pull-ups, my back is just pumped to the max. It gets more pumped than any other back exercise I do. So pull-ups is my favorite exercise. So Ace B Point of View asked me how many times I work out in a week and why, and he also asked me if I had to eat fish or chicken that week, which one would it be? So I work out 4 days a week, and I do cardio 4 to 6 times a week. That just works best with my work schedule, because I also work 4 days out the week as well. So I try to work out like on 2 of my off days, or 3 of my, when I have 3 off days. So I try to work out on 3 of my off days, and then on 1 day while I work. And I do cardio all those days as well. And if I had to choose between fish or chicken that week, I'm always gonna go with chicken, because chicken lasts a little bit longer in the fridge. And me personally, I like eating boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So it's always gonna be chicken over fish, unless I'm really trying to cut down or something like that. And I really want to make sure I'm not getting a whole lot of fat in, then yeah, I'll go fish. Just because it lasts a little bit longer. Just because chicken lasts a little bit longer in the fridge, and you can do more things with chicken. So yeah, there you go. Chicken over fish. Alright, so I want to thank everyone who participated in the Q&A. I will be doing another one sometime in the future, not no time soon. I hope I was clear with answering all of the questions. I hope everyone's question was answered to your liking. And yeah, like I said, I appreciate the support. I appreciate you participating. And it's a little story. I know this light right here kind of messes up my footage. So I ordered the light off Amazon, and then they wound up losing the light. So now they gave me my refund back, but I gotta find another light, or I just have to use the little one I have. It's not bright enough, that's why I don't use it, but I guess I'm gonna have to start using it because this thing right here messes up my footage. So yeah, thank you for participating. I hope I answered all your questions like I said, and all you guys voted chest, so that's the next workout you're gonna get, a chest workout, a home chest workout. So yeah, thank you for the support. You guys have a good one. God bless.